Okay, let's explain other brain box that is pass move. It's very simple. If you have your pass that I explained it before, here you can assign a pass and pass point. Let's set it to no ground, and this is our start and the end. Make it bigger, and this is our object that we want to move. Sorry, we want to move on this pass. This is our pass. We have to just simply scene pass. This is our pass that you can select it from here, and you can assign any texture, for example a simple grass, to that, or you can go to here or change the brightness, contrast, hue, saturation. You can change it any way that you want, and select your start, and simply you can add a path point. This is our point that you can curve your scene, you can rotate. I explained it before, refer to other section. And it's follow this path. This object is following this path, and it's moving with one click. You can do everything. If you create such these games, you can simply move on this path and do everything that you want. It's not important which dynamic is that. You can make it dynamic to collide with other objects. You can make it just not static. You can the dynamic or none. That's nice. And simply after that, you can add here pass move. Pass move. If you go to the pass move, in the pass move you can change your speed, and if you want to jump, you can determine your jump force. It's very simple. If you see it's moving, oh, make sure that you set your camera view correct. Make this one and allow the camera follow your character. Drag and drop it on the character. This is big because it's a character. You can set collision group to character to determine better. Then select your camera. I explained it before. Follow character. We set it character because here we want to define the character, or you can choose a specific object. This is cube. Now you can see it's bad. It's better to follow follow game pass. I think, yeah, it's change the character game pass. Here you can change game pass. Let's follow the game pass to see. Yeah, it's better. Now you can see if I take it higher at the pass, it's immediately snap to its pass automatically. Boom, you can see. And you can see we have an initial space between road and your object. Double click, go into your node based system. You can see it's an touch node and it's an pass move. It's simple to node. They are automatically creating for you. This is a pass move. Here you can change the speed of your object here, or you can directly select your object and its settings. Here in settings, tell the speed of that. If you want to jump, if you create a jump node, this is the jump node, and here it's sitting. Here we have an initial offset between the road and the object. I will be explaining it later, don't worry. Just it's a simple things that you can set. Simple create a pass, and then can simply move on the pass.